Hello everyone, welcome back. Next exercise in the basic algorithm scripting series, title case a sentence. In this task, we have to return the provided string with the first letter of each word capitalized. Make sure the rest of the word is in lowercase. For the purpose of this exercise, you should also capitalize connecting words like the and of. In that case, first we will have to make the whole string in lowercase. So str dot to lower case, and we will split it wherever the spaces are, so that we get a array of a string str array. We can see the results here using console.log str array. Okay, this array look like this. Now we will use a for loop. For let I equal to 0, I less than str array dot length I plus plus. Afterward, we have to find out the first letter in each string of this array. So str array I dot, so in this case split, not a split, slice 0 comma 1, and we will use two upper case to capitalize it. So we have our first letter, let first letter equal to this. Now since we got the first letter, let str array I equal to, in this case we will use first letter plus, why it's showing error here. Oh, I am using str let here by mistake. This is already present here, means we are accessing ith value of the string array, and I was not redeclaring using let, so that was a mistake. First letter and then str array I dot slice 1 comma str array I dot length. Looks good. And it will create every word and save it in the array. Then in the end, str array dot join with a space. In this case, we can show the answer also, console.log, and here we are closing it. We can see everything is capitalized. So this works. Let's run the test for other cases, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.